Hey everyone, tired of staring at those bland and uninspiring terminals? Well, you're in for a treat today because we're about to turn that techie dullness into a visual masterpiece. Alright, so first of all, open up your Windows terminal. If you don't have this, you don't have to worry about it. You can install this from Microsoft Store. Just go there and type Windows Terminal and you will see two profiles there. As you can see, mine is already installed, so I don't need to install it. But if you need, you can install it from here. Go back to your terminal, go to settings, then go to defaults, then appearance. From here, you can edit your color scheme and your font face. If you want to edit your color scheme, you can go to this open JSON file and you can see here you have all the JSON functionality and configuration. Just type scheme and you can add your own scheme there. Now, where to get these color schemes from? For that, we have this website called Windows Terminal Themes. Here you can find different color schemes and you can preview them as well. The one that I use is Banana Blueberry. So I'm just going to click on this get theme and copy it. After copying it, I will have to go back to my settings and to my JSON file. And I can easily paste my scheme right here and adding a comma at the end. After that, save this file and close it. Now you can choose your color scheme from this drop down menu here by clicking this, and as you can see, my banana blueberry is right here and I've selected this. A few more settings that I prefer are I keep my opacity to 80 and enable acrylic material, as well as I like the scroll bar hidden, so I'll choose that. Again, these are personal preferences. You don't need to copy me. Going back, all is set, so let's go and check out what is the difference now. As you can see, it's looking much nicer, but we need to add fonts to it. For that, we will use nerd fonts and you don't have to worry about it. I'll provide the GitHub link in the description. Here you can see that they have many icons and fonts that you can configure into your project, into your terminal. So we'll go up to the releases section, and as you can see, the version is 3.1.1. Let's go down, and as you can see in the assets, we have all the fonts. Let's click on show all, and we can see all the fonts here. I'm going to choose one of these randomly. Let's just choose just Daddy Times One or something, and let's download it. Once it's downloaded, open it up, select all the files from here, all the font files, copy them and paste them in a folder wherever you want. After that, select all, right click and click install. Afterwards, it's going to take just a quick second to install. Now, let's restart our terminal. As you can see, after restarting our terminal and going back to the settings, we can see that we now see our new font styles in the font menu here. You can choose whichever font you like. You can choose this new font that we installed, but I think this one is not going to be good for me. I don't think so that I would like this one. So I would go back and use the one that I already used before and the one that I usually use. That is my Comic Sans Mono. After choosing your font, let's click on save and let's see the difference. Now it looks much better to me. Now for the colorfulness, we'll go to Oh My Posh, and to the docs, we'll go to Windows under the installation tab, click on it, scroll down and you'll find different options for installation such as Winget, Scoop and Manual. I prefer to use Winget. If you want to check whether you have it or not, just go to your terminal and type Winget. And if you receive a response like this, then that means that you already have this on your machine. If you don't get this response, you don't have to worry about it. You just need to go to the Microsoft Store and you can install it from there. You just have to type app installer there. And as you can see, mine is already installed, so I don't need to install it, but you can if you want to, if you don't have it already. Afterwards, once your Winget is installed, let's go back to the Oh My Posh website And we can copy this command now and paste it into your terminal to install our Oh My Posh terminal engine. It will take just a while to install this, not too much time. And as you can see, this is a small file and it's already almost installed. After completing the installation, let's scroll down, go to the bottom, and you can see this command right here, Oh My Posh init. This is going to initialize Oh My Posh into your terminal. So let's copy this and paste it into your terminal. Once you do that, hit enter and you will receive a response as a new command. You can copy this command and repaste it. After repasting it, hit enter. This will invoke the default theme of Oh My Posh into your terminal. As you can see, this theme is very funky for me, so I will choose my own personal theme. For that, I will go to the themes section, get Posh themes, just copy this and type it into your terminal. Hit enter and you can see all the themes populating here. After your themes are populated here, you can choose whichever you like, and for me, I like more simple themes, so I would choose this one. After you're done choosing, scroll down to the bottom and you will see some instructions. To change your theme, adjust the init script. For that, you will have to copy this command from here and just change the theme name to the one that you like and the one that you choose already. So let's go do that. After hitting enter, we'll see that the theme that we chose is now applied on our terminal. After we're done with our theme selection, now we need to set up something known as the profile. For that, we will have to type code or any other text editor that you want to use and space, and after that we can type $profile. This will open up your profile into the VS Code and where you can edit it. Here in the script, you will have to add this line which will initialize your theme. Don't forget to make sure that the file name is the same as the theme that you chose already. And that's it. Save this. And now whenever you open up a new terminal, the theme will be there and there will be no glitches. There will be no losing your profile data. This is what profile actually means. Now, the next problem is if we list out our directories, we can see that the files doesn't have any icons in front of them, which is very simple. For that, we will go to the Scott Hanselman's website. And as you can see here, I've already done a lot of work on this. We will scroll down and go here to this part and copy this. This will install a module. But for this, you will have to run your PowerShell as an administrator. Don't forget this, otherwise you will face many errors. After running your PowerShell as an administrator, just run this command. Afterwards, mine is already there, so that's why it didn't do much, but for you, it will install a few things. Afterwards, let's choose the second command and run it as well. Once this is done, let's run the ls command again, and as you can see, all the folders and the pictures are there. But what if we open up a new terminal and type the ls command? We won't see the icons again. I hope you have already guessed this. This is because we did not set the icons import module function into this profile. So let's do that. Let's open up our profile. All we need to do is add this tiny line here and afterwards save this, close this, and you can see everything's done for you. Restart your terminal. Now let's run this command again and you can see all the icons are right there, aligned there. This is the power profile. If you open up a new terminal and you do the same, they will be there. This is how profiles work. So you must not mess up in the profile section, otherwise you will face many errors. And there you have it, folks. Your Windows terminal is now a personalized masterpiece. I hope you enjoyed this journey to beautifying your workspace. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. As always, thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.